Most people are paying 20 or 30 euros a month just for an AI note taker. A separate subscription, a separate tool, one more thing to manage. Runnable just made that completely unnecessary. They built a meeting agent called RunMeet directly into their platform. No extra cost, included with every paid plan. Let me show you how it works. Quick context first. Runnable is one AI agent that builds everything. Websites, slides, videos, carousels, reports, documents, mobile apps, all from a single conversation. Most people pay over 150 euros a month across separate tools for all of this. Runnable replaces the whole stack for 15 a month. RunMeet is built into that same platform. No extra cost, no extra login. This is RunMeet. You connect your Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook, and it automatically joins your scheduled calls. It works seamlessly with Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams. One connection, and you're set. From that point forward, it joins every meeting automatically. You do not have to do anything before each call. The moment a call ends, it produces a clean summary of everything discussed and a list of key decisions. It captures every action item with the person responsible and the deadline. All captured automatically based on what was actually said. The full meeting is also recorded and saved, so you can re-watch any moment you need to go back to. And here is what makes RunMeet different from any standalone note taker. It lives inside the hub. Because it lives inside Runnable, your meeting output connects directly to everything else the platform can build. You can take the action items from a meeting and ask the agent to turn them into a project report, a presentation, or a document instantly. Same agent, same conversation. Your meeting context feeds straight into your next deliverable. No copy-pasting between tools, no starting from scratch. One platform, everything connected. If you are already paying for a note taker, RunMeet replaces it and gives you an entire creative platform on top for less than you are paying right now. The link to try Runnable is in the description. And if you missed the first video on RunClaw, the AI agent that lives inside Telegram and Slack, I will link it above. Blueprint is in the description. See you in the next one.